Karnataka Minister Ramesh Jarkiholi is in the midst of a massive sex scandal, and a red-faced BJP is reportedly now seeking the resignation of Jarkiholi as well. This after a complaint was registered, no FIR has been filed. A case has been registered based on a CD that's been submitted to the Commissioner of Police. The Karnataka Water Resources Minister is likely to resign from his post today. Sources in the BJP indicate that his resignation will help in a free and fair investigation and trial. A CD had purportedly showed the minister with a woman in a compromising position. Social activist Dinesh Kalahalli, who released the CD, had filed a complaint alleging that the minister lured the victim on the pretext of giving her a government job. The victim's family had approached the activist seeking justice. Ramesh Jarkiholi, however, has denied these charges. He's claimed he's innocent and called it a political conspiracy. Karnataka Congress chief D.K. Shivkumar has claimed that on tape Jarkiholi is making corruption charges against Chief Minister Yediyurappa, and this must be probed. Congress as well as the JDS have been also staging protests against Jarkiholi. Remember that Ramesh Jarkiholi is someone who was among the 17 MLAs who switched over from the Congress and JDS last year to help the BJP come to power in Karnataka.
ಒಂದು ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ಒಂದು ಇದು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಫೇಕ್ ಹಿಡಿದಿದೆ. ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಪಾಪ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿ ನೌಕರಿ ಹಚ್ಚೋಣ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಮಗ್ರವಾಗಿ ತನಿಖೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ನನಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ KPTCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಿರುಕುಳನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲಿಂಗಿ ಕಿರುಕುಳ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಭಾಳ ನೋವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇವ್ರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ, ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ವಕೀಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಸುದೀರ್ಘವಾಗಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಮತ್ತು CD ಆಧಾರದಲ್ಲಿ
only issue of any sex scandal or any affair or any issue. I could see yesterday night the minister has allied that the Honorable Chief Minister is corrupt. This is the Chief Minister has to first reply. Tomorrow the assembly starts. Mr. Yediyurappa is more sensible leader. The BJP leaders also feel that they are running the country, they are more sensible. Let us see. We leave it to them. It is their court.
I hope if there is any values in public life, the Chief Minister, Mr. Yediyurappa, should take his resignation immediately. This is the most corrupt government ever Karnataka had.
ದುರುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಪಿತೂರಿ ಕುತಂತ್ರ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೇಲಿಂಗು, ಹನಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸತ್ಯತೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲವೇ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ವಹಿಸಬೇಕೋ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಹಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Let's take this across to Nagarjun Dwarkanath, who's joining us live from Bengaluru. Nagarjun, a lot of pressure on the BJP, on Ramesh Jarkiholi. Are we expecting him to resign today?
Well, that's true, Akshita. Any time from now, Jarkiholi would tender his resignation is what we are told. He is likely to meet the CM and offer his resignation. 2 p.m. is the time when cabinet meet starts here in Karnataka in Vidhan Sauda. CM is expected any moment here. During the cabinet meet, they'll also discuss about why Ramesh Jarkiholi should issue the resignation. And we have been told from the Delhi High Command, BJP High Command sources is that there was a clear-cut instruction to the party leadership here in the state that Ramesh Jarkiholi should offer his resignations, because starting from tomorrow, there's also budget session here in Karnataka. The opposition benches will target the treasury bench here, trying to corner the government in terms of the whole sex tape that we are speaking about. And to save the face of the government, the CM and the colleagues might agree in the cabinet meet to seek resignation from Ramesh Jarkiholi. But at this point of time, he's still his phone is switched off and is not to be seen anywhere near his residence. But we are closely waiting and watching here at Vidhan Sauda that the decision might be announced post the cabinet meet here. CM is expected any moment to Vidhan Vidansauda now.
Okay, what we're hearing is that the BJP is demanding that Ramesh Jarkiholi now resign. We'll be tracking the latest on this. Nagarjan, thank you for those details. Now, the reason this is such a huge controversy is not just because Jarkiholi allegedly has been caught in a compromising position with a woman in the CD, but there are several claims also doing the rounds about what's in the contents of the CD. One of that is a conversation between the woman and a person allegedly who is Jarkiholi. In that conversation, this is what is said. The woman is seen in the tape saying, in Belgaum, Belagavi, Marathi and Kannadigas fight a lot, right? And in response, the voice that comes in allegedly of Jarkiholi says, Marathis are good people. Then there is a slew of abuses that come in to refer to Kannadigas, saying they don't have any work to do. This is the alleged conversation in the tape, and that's not all. There's also a mention here where he says Siddaramaiah is good, Yediyurappa has done too much corruption, he is too corrupt. This is triggering a massive war because you've got the woman also saying, you're going to Delhi always, will you be the chief minister? Now, the person in this tape, allegedly, Jarkieholi says, Pralhad Joshi will be the chief minister. Now, that point also that he's made about Yediyurappa being corrupt has led to a massive problem for the BJP because the Congress is using this to also question B.S. Yediyurappa and say that he is in fact corrupt. This is a story that we'll be tracking very closely. All right, big breaking news that's coming in. Ramesh Jarkieholi, we're hearing, has now resigned. Any moment now, we're expecting a public statement in this regard. But the information we're picking up is that Minister Ramesh Jarkieholi has put in his papers amid a lot of pressure from the opposition and the BJP also seeking the same. That's a story we'll be tracking very closely on the other side of a very short break.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.